Before we go into this project, you need 18 gauge copper wire. You would need 18 gauge stainless steel wire, but the stainless steel wire is going to be longer. Okay, and we're gonna do about 30 windings. Okay, just a little plier, either this or this, doesn't matter. You need a wire cutter, and then you're going to need shrink tube, 3 of them, but one of them is going to cut in half. Okay, because it's going to wind just like that. The 2 shrink tube goes to here, and then the 1 shrink tube goes to here, the other one goes to here. Okay, so first we're going to do the winding. Now I went to the store and I got this. It's 5/16, 12 inches, and it cut a little notch in there. I'll show you why we need to cut a notch in there. Okay, then you need your drill. You're going to speed up things up a lot faster. Put it in your drill. You see where this part is. We're going to put the stainless steel. Leave about, I would say, about 6 inches from here. So just curl it like that. Curl it round, okay? Oh, and most importantly, safety glasses. Okay? I'll leave everything in the description for you. Now, put that in that notch here, and then wind. Okay, it's gonna go this way. I'm going to zoom it in just a little bit so you can see how it works. And let me measure it. I think it's a little bit 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So about 10 here, 20, almost 30. So it's like 2 more. I just do 3. Okay, now cut about 6 inches from here to here. 6 inches would do. Okay, now what you want to do is take this out of this holding and straighten back up again. Okay. Ooh, I'm supposed to zoom that out. Straighten that out. Okay. And hold in the center and go backward. So now it's coming out for you. Okay. It came off my drill. I'm just going to do it by hand. So now you have a coil. Okay. From here, just make sure to straighten everything out. And the coil should look like this. One go this way, one go that way. Okay. Take your plier, hold the first coil, and just bend up. Okay. Take your plier again, hold the first coil, bend up. Now, just bent out. So it comes like this. Comes straight like that. Okay? Remember, it's about 30 coil, okay? It's good to wear 2, but not 60 coil, because 60 coil kind of messed up. You can do 60 coil, depending on how your body is. It's like a battery. Some people need double A, some people need triple A. So now you have a straight coil just like that. Okay? Now, take your copper, measure it from here to here. And around here, cut that off. Okay? So you should have something like this. Okay? Now we're going to take this, put it over here, and we're going to need our heating gun. To get a heating gun. Now, just heat this up. Now, do the other side. Slide it in here. And heat that up. Oops, I made the wrong way. Now just make sure that it cool down tightly. Okay. Now put it in your drill, just like we did with the Wonder Bracelet. Take this here, or that, hold on to this, and just wind. Okay. This one's messed up just a little bit right here, but it's okay. Doesn't matter. We'll straighten back up again. Just make it straighten so it look nice on you. Doesn't have to be perfect, but look how nice that is. Same thing's over here. Okay, make sure they both match. Now, figure out how long yours is. Okay. Mine, I know it's about up to here. Okay. So measure yours so you will know. So cut that off from there. Mine is from here to here. That's how I marked it, but for you, I don't know where you are, how big your size, your wrist is, or whatever. Okay, so now we are done. Now you have to shape it. To shape this, I'm doing the non-heavy duty, okay? The heavy duty, you need more coil. Okay? You can do more coil. You can you can actually do thicker gauge. You can go up to 16. Okay? So 18 or 16. Now from here, just curl it just a little bit here and curl a little bit here. And then press this upward a little bit. Press this side up a little bit so you can see that gap right there. And then press them forward like this. Okay? So now you see something like this right here. They all separated from each other. Okay? Like that. You can shape whatever you want from now on, because the principle of that will stay the same regardless how you do it. So at this point, it doesn't matter. Make it that's the way you like it, okay? At this point, it doesn't matter because the principle, you have to stick with the same principle. That's what basically is. Okay? And this is medical, so. Then from here, measure where you want. Okay. Mine, I think it's perfect right there. So I curve it right here. Same thing over here. I'm going to curve it right here. Now straighten it up like a U. Then curve it again. And then about almost a quarter of an inch. I mean almost an inch. 3/4 of an inch, I guess. Curve and curve 3 times. And then you will have something like this. Okay? See how that looks? Now fix it. There are times that I like just to slide them on. But you want to have as much metal as you can. Okay, there are benefits to this, and that's why I'm making this video. You want it to touch your skin. These, they actually absorb. Okay? They don't take away, they absorb, and that's why I don't like them. But there are benefits to this. And that's why I'm making this so you can see. Okay? Now, this is where it should be cut, because I think I know where it is now. But for you, make sure to put them on and everything. Okay? Throw out there. Okay. Now, take your gun, heating gun, hold halfway, put it right here until it snaps, until it fits. Leave that up. Oh, out of camera. Go on the other side, let that one cool down. Halfway. Slide it in. Hold. Press it in. Now this side should be all set, so we can cut it. Cut it. Let it cool. And just cut a little bit here, a little bit here. Cut a little bit here. Cut a little bit here. And now you are all set. Okay, now go back and straighten this out to make sure it looks really nice. All the way you want, whatever. I like it like this. When it comes close like this. Okay, so it looks like a bracelet. But remember, it's not a bracelet. It's a medical device. More like it. Soon, someday, they're going to recognize these as medical devices. You'll see. Now, I can see medical devices making out of these pretty soon. Okay, now, should be good right now. I'm just a little anal over here. I know I'm taking a little bit of time there, but it should be all set. Okay, now just wear it. Fix it to where you want. Okay, just like that. Make sure on this side it fits this way, and this side touch your skin. Okay, and then clasp them together. Fix it until it looks something like this. I like it like this because then it's easy in and out. Okay. I'll go really slow before I go. That's what it should look like. Same thing just like the one we did. This one's a little bit not the way I like. This side's good. This side's just need a little bit bent. So I'm going to bend this way a little bit and this way a little bit. And then when I go in, you can straighten it out. Okay? That's it. It's tight now. I like it just like that. Okay? Look at the difference on it. So that's why you have to play around with it. Make sure you use hard wire, not soft. Okay? Because on this, in this world here, we need them really hard. So don't try to get, this is soft copper, because they make jewelry out of them, but just get harder copper, because this on this world I like them harder copper. So I mentioned that in my other videos, which I linked the other regular right here up here, okay, for you. You can make those too, but this one is for these. And this is what I call the evil wonder, but it's like more than yin and yang really. But I'll explain all those benefits later in a different video, and I will link them all in a different playlist, so that way you can find them. Okay, other than that, that's about it on this video. I will see you in the next video.